Hey guys, it's Rob and Kim with Little Man Cave on the Prairie, and tonight, okay, there, that's a little better. Tonight we are actually out, and you can see this little kind of trail that we're on. Well, we decided to make a little circle drift track, I guess, if you will, for the kids. Oh, and it's really not packing tonight because, well, it's in the area that I live in, snow turns to really sugar right away. I've been doing lap after lap after lap, and it's slowly packing it, but as you can see, like places like here, it's just not really packing that well. I'm actually chopping quite a bit. Like right here, we're going through about a foot. Now we go really light throttle through here. If I was spinning, I'd just dig to the ground underneath. I've packed it about, well, the pack spots are about 6 inches right now. I was out here earlier with two different shovels, a spade and a snow shovel, and Johnny and I were breaking trail, I guess, if you will. And we've been slowly trying to go over the high spots. So I'm actually dragging a 12-foot chain just to knock off the high spots. And that's all those little snow cookies that you see all over the place there. Now, when we come to here, here's the hard spot, is that this really drifted in. So I've got to kind of give it a little bit of throttle, which doesn't really pack that much. It, and then slow, oh, chop. So, when it comes to this stuff, this sugar type snow, you can't throttle through it. You'll just dig straight down. It's much like sand. Now, if you have the tire like a sand tire or something like that, it's a little bit different. But when you got a half ball set of ATs, yeah, you're just gonna spin down. So a lot of times we just let our foot off the throttle and let it kind of half-ass chop its way through, and go like that. So okay, that is one lap, and we're gonna come back out here tomorrow, and now, like I said, we've been dragging a chain, but I think we're gonna, it's supposed to be sunny. We've got what's called in Canada a Chinook coming tomorrow, which means that we're gonna, well, more or less, warm air blows in from the west and comes out to my neck of the woods. So it should melt a little bit and make a lot better packing snow. And then at that point, we're going to drag a log. So we'll probably get a video out about that one too. I just wanted to show you guys what we're doing and how we're doing it at the beginning. It's, like I said, slow going, but the first part we had to break our way through. I spent an hour on the shovel today in one corner, so that was a lot of fun. Alright guys, thanks for joining in. We're going to get more of this track and the kids out drifting to you, and so subscribe, like, all that jazz, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks guys.